Electric truck development isn't just about replacing diesel engines. It's about rethinking the entire vehicle architecture for a net-zero future. Companies like Tesla, Rivian, and Freightliner are aggressively advancing. Letting innovation in trucking do its job should lead to saving lives, saving loads, and saving loads of money. We no longer think of trucks simply as engines that pull steel boxes. They are rolling, tech-laden engineering labs with extraordinary propulsion, hydraulic, automation, and smart technologies. We are less aware of the rapid pace of the industry's development, whether autonomous highway driving or cargo retention systems that are sleeved and in sub-roof mounts. And this is exactly what you are going to see. This is proof that the industry stands on the verge of a whole new level. Let's start with the BPW Hesstal Cargo Master. This is not a strap system. It's a reinvention of the entire cargo securing process. The traditional securing of a load inside a trailer espouses dangerous driving practices and encourages reckless behavior because it requires a driver to climb inside the cargo area, walk over potentially unstable cargo, and then manually tension the cargo securing straps. The Cargo Master system allows a driver to do all of the securing from the ground, and as such, virtually eliminates the risk of falling and, consequently, workplace injuries. The Type 501 fixed and Type 502 sliding rail systems both guide the strap retraction to the roof. The cargo ratchet straps, aka securing straps, are anchored directly to the chassis of the trailer. Its modular retrofit design allows it to integrate with current fleets. For operators, that means quicker turnaround, better safety compliance, and fewer cargo shifts. Cargo Master enhances workflow efficiency in a world where seconds and safety are priorities. The next in line is the DAL Logo 12 timber semi-trailer, designed for severe forestry transportation. This trailer is custom-made for transporting round timber over rough forest roads and uneven surfaces. Made of advanced fine-grained steel and reinforced main beams, it is designed to withstand severe torsional stress. Despite the strength and durability of the materials, it is lighter by up to 15% than previous models and therefore increases the payload capacity. With a base weight of approximately 5.3 tons, depending on the chosen configuration, all the materials optimized for weight are designed to increase transport efficiency. With the ability to carry timber of lengths between approximately 2 and 16 meters, transport is made easier. Stability and vibration during loading are improved by the redesigned front bulkhead. The modular floor and securing system provides for the ability to custom design various configurations. For timber logistics companies battling harsh terrain, the Logo 12 delivers durability without sacrificing efficiency. It is rugged engineering optimized for real-world use. Then comes the Freightliner Cascadia Mirror Cam system. Outside camera technology has been designed to replace bulky side mirrors with cameras that send live images to the driver's in-cab displays. This technology increases the field of view for drivers and eliminates many blind spots created by large mirror frames. Enabled with infrared and with a water and dirt-repelling coating, MirrorCam's technology stays clean and functional in all environments. MirrorCam technology directly integrates with blind spot and side collision detection systems. In-cab displays show safety alerts in a driver's direct line of sight. The removal of large mirror frames and housings also reduces aerodynamic drag, meaning improved fuel efficiency on long hauls. Less head and neck movement reduces strain on long hauls. For fleet owners, this means better safety, lower fuel consumption, and fewer repairs as mirrors won't be damaged. The merging of smart visibility and aerodynamics creates an efficient system. Now imagine the scenario of controlling a long trailer without losing your grip as you reverse it into a narrow loading dock. This system is known as BPW. Active reverse control. Conventional self-steering axles have a wheel lock system, meaning they may aid in forward motion, but they won't help you steer going backwards. In contrast, ARC uses electro-hydraulic control to steer the back wheels of the trailer. The sensors control the direction of the trailer and the rear wheels, greatly reducing trailer swing and increasing control and precision. It also assists at low forward speeds for maneuvering in tight spaces. Its modular design stays lightweight and maintains cargo capacity. Optimized steering angles reduce driver stress and tire wear. For logistics hubs with narrow docking bays, ARC is revolutionary. The Harsh HH6 hook loader demonstrates that smaller trucks can tackle extensive challenges. It is intended for vehicles with a gross vehicle weight of approximately 7.5 tons and can lift containers weighing 6 tons. The loading and unloading are both precise and controlled, thanks to a single lifting cylinder and an articulating arm. For safe operation, hook mechanism security and hydraulic locks positioned externally are used. Its small size is practical for operational use within densely populated city areas. Additionally, it can be equipped for operation via a PTO pump drive, with remote control as an option. The container handling system optimizes safety, as it allows the driver to control the system from the vehicle cabin. For semi-urban applications of medium-duty trucks, the Palfinger Skiploader ST14 is a new benchmark. It is designed for vehicles with a gross vehicle weight of 18 to 21 tons and can lift containers weighing 14 tons. With its telescopic asymmetric arms, a large spanning distance is provided for simple alignment. Even containers that are not aligned can be secured. Working from a safe distance, radio remote control options allow for a safe distance. Safety is improved by hydraulic locks and systems that indicate overload. Work lights are LED. Container lengths can be from 3 to 3.5 meters. The ability to lift and maneuver in an urban environment is combined. It integrates power and finesse for city logistics. The Kodiak driverless robo-trucks are a shock to the system. Fully autonomous means that there are no human drivers in the vehicles. Sensor pods, designed redundantly like mirrors, give extra coverage. If one part fails, there are redundant systems for braking and steering. Kodiak has completed real-world commercial freight runs. It solves the issues of driver shortages. The DAF Advanced Emergency Braking System is a new safety technology. It uses radar and camera sensors to maintain a constant observation of the roadway. Vehicles, pedestrians, and obstructions are all detected by the system. Visual alerts, audible warnings, and feedback via the brake pedal are all provided to drivers. When no interaction happens, emergency braking is automatically engaged by the system. The dual radar system enables detection of about 250 meters. It works with adaptive cruise control and lane departure warning systems. It helps reduce the impact of collisions at highway speeds. For fleets, this translates to lower accident rates and less insurance spending. For drivers, this can mean the difference between a collision and an avoidance. Cremaro Tarp all revolutionizes flatbed operations. Rather than having to climb onto the cargo to manually tarp the load, operators can do so by utilizing a sliding and folding mechanism. The tarp can be deployed from the ground, as it is mounted to the side rails with maintenance-free wheels. A single operator can safely cover an entire flatbed. Flatbed trailers are provided with the functionality of an enclosed trailer without any loss of efficiency. The Holmes DTU detachable towing unit redefines versatility. It allows the transformation of a standard road tractor into a tow truck with heavy-duty capabilities. It is mounted in a way that it is stable via a front lockdown bracket and a fifth wheel plate. In a retracted position, it can tow 35,000 pounds. Significant underlift capability is provided by the extended reach. A 20,000-pound planetary winch facilitates recovery operations. Potential additional control offers expansion of remote control and equipment upgrades. The tractor returns to hauling duties once towing is complete. One vehicle, dual-purpose function. This is optimal operational adaptability. These 10 inventions prove one thing. Modern trucking is not evolving incrementally, but accelerating aggressively. From intelligent braking and autonomous navigation to hydraulic precision and modular adaptability, trucks are evolving to be smarter, safer, and more efficient. What once took pure muscle has been engineered to require no more than a thought. Each axle and sensor is an example of the future of freight being built today. If this level of innovation surprises you, imagine what is coming next. Hydrogen propulsion, AI-powered logistics ecosystems, and autonomous convoys are among the innovations coming next. The trucking industry is evolving at a rate faster than headlines would suggest. If this level of innovation surprises you, imagine what is coming next. The trucking world is changing faster than most headlines mention, and if you want more updates about the machines shaping our world, hit subscribe right now. Like this video, share it with someone who thinks trucks are just steel and diesel, because clearly they are much more than that. And trust me, the next invention might be even bigger. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.